This lesson covers circles. A circle is a conic section. Slicing a cone with a horizontal plane results in a circle. A circle with center HK and radius R is the set of all points XY in the plane whose distance to HK is R. The general form of the equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c equals 0. The standard equation is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Let's find the center and radius and sketch a graph of the circle x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y plus 9 equals 0. So here we want to write this equation in standard form. I'll start by collecting my x's. So I have x squared minus 4x, then the y's plus y squared plus 6y, and I will put the constant of 9 on the other side by subtracting 9 from each side. I then want to put parentheses around the x squared minus 4x, leaving a little space for completing the square, parentheses around y squared plus 6y, leaving some space, and then I'll complete the square next. So x squared minus 4x, I take half of negative 4, square it to get a plus 4. I need to add plus 4 to the right side as well. X squared plus 6y, I will add 9 here to complete the square. So to keep the equation as it should be equal, then I will add 9 to the other side as well. And now I have x minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 4. Recalling that the standard equation is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. I can see that my center here, hk, is 2, negative 3. The radius squared is equal to 4, so the radius will be 2. And graphing the circle will look like this. I have a center of 2, negative 3. The radius of 2, I go out from the center 2 units in each direction to graph the circle. Okay, find the standard form of the equation of a circle that has center 1, negative 2 and passes through the point 2, 3. Okay, so we'll start with our standard form of the circle, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And we'll first of all plug in the center, h value of 1, k value of negative 2, and we'll have x minus 1 squared plus y minus a negative 2 squared equals r squared. Next, I can use this point that happens to be on my circle. I will plug the values of 2 in for x and 3 in for y. And if I do that, I have 2 minus 1 squared plus 3 plus 2 squared equals r squared. This way I can solve for r. And this will give me r squared equals 26. Actually, I don't need to solve for r. All I need is r squared here. And so I'll write the equation then. X minus 1 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 26. And this will be the equation of our circle. Find the standard form of the equation of the circle that has endpoints of a diameter at 1, negative 2, and 3, 4. It helps me to sketch a graph sometimes to at least put these 2 points on a coordinate system to kind of see what's going on. So I have a circle. The point 3, 4 and the point 1, negative 2 are endpoints of a diameter. So that means I have a diameter of my circle connecting these 2 points. And I might even sketch a rough graph of what the circle will look like. Okay, so what do I need to find the equation of the circle? I need to know what the center is here. Well, the center is the midpoint of these 2 endpoints of the diameter. So I'll find the midpoint by taking 1 plus 3 over 2 for the x-coordinate of the midpoint and negative 2 plus 4 over 2 for the y-coordinate of the midpoint. That gives me a center of 2, 1. Okay, so for the equation of my circle, I still need to know what the radius is here. Well, the radius is going to be the distance from 2, 1 to 3, 4. So I'll use my distance formula. R will equal the square root of 3 minus 2 squared plus 4 minus 1 squared, which will be the square root of 10. Now I can write the formula for the circle, the equation. I have x minus 2 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals r squared, which is 10. Try on your own. Find the center and radius of the circle. X squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 10y plus 18 equals 0.